Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing in detail a productivity app that has been creating quite a buzz in the productivity community, xTiles. I'll walk you through an overview of xTiles, its key features, the pricing, its pros and cons, and finally I'll help you decide if it's the best productivity tool for you in 2024. And if it's not, stick around for some other alternatives that might be a better fit. Let's jump right into the review. Why is xTiles gaining popularity, and what exactly is xTiles used for? xTiles is a versatile productivity tool that combines elements of note-taking, project planning, and visual organization into one platform. Unlike standard to-do list apps or project management tools, xTiles focuses heavily on spatial organization, meaning you can lay out your ideas and tasks in a flexible, visual format that helps you see the big picture of whatever you're working on. The concept behind xTiles is to create a digital workspace that mimics a real physical board where you might pin up sticky notes, images, or articles. Instead of a rigid list or column structure, xTiles offers a blank canvas or a tile board where you can arrange different elements like notes, images, links, and files in a way that visually makes sense to you. This approach can help boost creativity and clarity, especially for people who process information better through visual cues rather than plain text. xTiles appeals to a wide range of users. It's popular with designers, content creators, project managers, students, and even entrepreneurs who need to brainstorm, gather resources, and organize projects in a flexible, non-linear way. Imagine planning out a project where you can visually group and rearrange ideas as they evolve, creating connections and reorganizing tasks as they develop. This spatial flexibility can make projects easier to follow and can give you new insight into how tasks and ideas are connected. xTiles is designed to bring all of your ideas and resources into one organized visual space, helping you see the whole picture at a glance. It's not just about completing tasks, but organizing them in a way that aligns with how you think and work. So if you're someone who thrives with visual organization, xTiles could be a refreshing change from the more traditional linear tools out there. Now let us talk about its main features. Visual organization with tiles. The main feature is of course the tile-based layout. Each tile can hold anything from a simple note to an image, link, or even an embedded file. You can customize and rearrange these styles however you want, so each project feels unique. For people who work better visually, this feature allows you to see everything at a glance in an organized way. Real-time collaboration. xTiles lets you invite teammates to work on the same board in real time. This is super useful for teams who want a visual space to brainstorm, organize, and execute together. You can all edit, comment, and interact with the tiles, which keeps the workflow smooth and aligned. Templates library. xTiles offers a range of templates tailored to different needs, whether you're managing a project, creating a mood board, or planning content. These templates can give you a head start if you're unsure of how to organize a project visually or just need a quick, efficient setup. Easy cross-platform use. The app syncs seamlessly across devices from desktop to mobile, which means your visual boards are accessible anywhere, anytime. For those of us who are always on the go, this is a huge plus for maintaining productivity outside the office. Integrations. xTiles has integrations with popular tools like Google Calendar, Notion, Trello, and Slack. This is especially helpful if you're already working with other productivity ecosystems and want to pull in resources from these apps without a lot of manual effort. Customization options. Lastly, you can change colors, organize tiles into groups, and even layer them to create a sense of depth. It's this customization that gives xTiles a personal feel, allowing you to make each project or workspace uniquely yours. How about the pricing of xTiles? How much does it cost? xTiles has a free version with limited features, which is great for basic use. This free plan allows users to test out the app, experiment with its layout, and decide if it's a good fit. If you're looking for a more robust experience, they offer a starter version and a plus version, which unlocks additional features like advanced integrations, more storage, and higher levels of customization. The Plus plan is very useful for teams because it adds Teams management features and better collaboration options. Currently, the starter plan is offered at $5 per month per user, and the Plus plan is offered at $8.25 per month per user, which is pretty standard for premium productivity tools today. What are the pros and cons of using xTiles? First, we talk about the pros. Highly visual and intuitive. Unlike many productivity tools, xTiles really caters to people who think visually, making it easier to organize ideas and tasks spatially. Versatile templates and customizations. The templates make it easy to get quickly started, and the customization options mean that the app adapts to your personal style, not the other way around. Collaborative features. If you work at a team, the real-time collaboration is smooth and keeps all your information centralized, which can save a ton of time when brainstorming or aligning on a project. Cross-platform syncing. Being able to seamlessly switch between devices is incredibly convenient, especially for users who juggle work between multiple locations. How about the cons? Learning curve for non-visual thinkers. If you're used to traditional linear apps like Google Keep or Evernote, the tile-based approach might feel unusual and could take some getting used to. Limited features in the free version. While the free version is a great way to test the app, it doesn't offer enough for power users. The more advanced integrations and features are only available in the paid plans. Overwhelming for simple projects. For those who are looking for just a quick note-taking app, xTiles might feel like overkill. Its features shine for complex projects, but might be too detailed for simpler needs. So here's the big question. Is xTiles the best productivity tool of 2024? Well, I'd say it really depends on your work style. If you're someone who thrives in a visual workspace and prefers organizing tasks spatially, xTiles could be a game changer. It's designed for those who want more than just a checklist. It's an immersive workspace where ideas can take shape visually. For designers, project managers, and creatives, it's an excellent choice. But if you're more comfortable with linear, list-based tools, you might find xTiles a bit too much. Ultimately, it's a unique tool with solid features, but it might not fit everyone's approach to productivity. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Notion, Evernote, and Trello. So there you have it. I hope this review gives you a clear picture of what xTiles offers, its strengths, its weaknesses, and whether it's the productivity tool for you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.